Hey everyone, this is Tina with tinasfinearts.com. I'm coming to you today with my messy art studio, but there's a reason. I want to explain to you some exciting things I have going on. Excuse my messy drill there. I was just stretching canvases and wiring pictures. But outside of that, in painting, I'm also making some really fun, clever items that feature my artwork. For instance, this is a trivet featuring my Santa Claus painting. And thanks to Gretchen Hunter for the reference photo on that. It's not ready yet, so I also have these. So they're all in the works, being processed. These trivets, if you don't know what they are stone trivets, and they protect your countertops from high heat items, also your tabletops. These will have a backing, like a cork backing on them, so it will be safe for the surfaces. And then the top, this one happens to feature my recent amaryllis painting that will be at Robert Kent Galleries this Friday. It also, it's a little bit of a weathered look, which is fun, but it will also be covered in a high gloss, high heat resistant finish, so it's safe for those dishes. And then, let's see, there's a lot more going on downstairs, and more things to come. So I'm just going to explain these to you. We'll be doing some more with the recent cardinal painting, maybe a few of those. Some may be available single, but they will be in some gift baskets. This features the cardinal, and it's a candle. I made these candles, and they have an amazing Christmas scent. This is a translucent finish, so when the candle burns, you're going to get a real pretty glow coming through this here. Let's see. And then, yes, I am still painting, and I am working on this owl. The image was provided here by amazing photographer friend Nancy Joyner Harmon. So I'm working on my version of him, and it measures 24 by 30. The goal is to have it complete and in Robert Kent Galleries in time for the Winter Wonderland Art Walk coming this Friday. I'll be there from 5 to 9 p.m. And I'll also be painting on site Saturday and Sunday. So Saturday will be 11 to 6, I believe. And I think Sunday is 1 to 5 or 1 to 6. The times are on my website, tinasfinearts.com, and they're also on my Facebook page. So I hope to see you there. I am going to add more items to these gift baskets. Some are still coming in from my vendors. So keep an eye out. These are really fun. If you have somebody it's hard to buy for, you just want to get them something and you don't know, especially like hostess, moms. I'm really working on practical items for those. And stay tuned. I'll be posting more that are coming up soon. Thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate your support, and I wish you all safe and happy holidays.